Goa Mines and Geology Department has finalized guidelines for sand extraction. A permit holder will be allowed to extract nearly 1,400 cubic meters of sand. Permit holder has to annually pay nearly 85,000 rupees to the government as royalty and other taxes. Department has also made installation of vehicle tracking system mandatory for the trucks who are engaged in sand transportation.
Finally, Mines and Geology has finalized the rules and regulations for the sand extraction and transportation. Sources inform that permit holder has to pay 60 rupees per meter sand, including 10 rupees as royalty. Sand extraction allowed 6 meters per day. No sand extraction in monsoon, that is June to September. In 8 months, nearly 1,400 cubic meters sand will be allowed to extract DMG. Permit holders allowed to extract sand at identified river sites. No sand extraction from 6 p.m. to 6 a.m., that is during night hours. Mines Department has made vehicle tracking system mandatory for trucks who are transporting sand to control and check illegal transportation of sand. Till date, Department has issued 14 permits for sand extractors in the first phase. Bureau Report Prudent.
Congress has reiterated its demand to denotify the regional plan as promised by the BJP to the people of Goa. Congress alleged that government has brought ordinance to allow infrastructure in eco-sensitive zones, bypassing regional plan which will lead to destruction of Goa.
तुम्ही लोकांक एकठांय घेया आनी रियल प्लॅन आहा पळय तो डिनोटिफाय करा. I think that 2001 plan which was there should be the base. That was already proposed earlier. Architect will give on board for any changes. No civil society members are invited. And the objection time kept is so suspicious during the festivities. At Christmas are till the 31st, I think is the last day. 31st of this month. सगळे लोक चडशे गोंयचे लोक they are busy preparing for the Christmas and New Year. ह्या दिसांनी ते जाणां लोक पावचो ना, तुमचे ऑफिसरूय थिंगा कामाक आसना सारखे कोण गेलो जाल्यार. This is very suspect behavior of the BJP government.
Border Security Force plane crashed in Dwarka with 10 people on board. The mishap took place minutes after the plane took off from Delhi. It was making its way to Ranchi. It has been suspected that there was a technical sag. It is reported that the pilot wanted to return back, but to non-communication, pilot made emergency landing and the plane hit a wall and crashed. All 10 BSF men died in the crash. 4 locals are also injured in the crash. Government has ordered a probe.
BSF plane crashed with 10 BSF officers on board. There were air wing engineers on board. The plane was flying from Delhi to Ranchi. All 10 officers have been killed in the crash. The engineers were going to Ranchi to repair a helicopter. It was a Ranchi-bound BSF Super King aircraft. The mishap occurred after the aircraft lost contact with the ground control.
बॉर्डर सिक्योरिटी फोर्स का सुपर किंग ये विमान था जिसमें कि पायलट सहित लगभग 10 लोग सवार थे. विमान रांची जा रहा था. वो अभी द्वारिका जो दिल्ली में के अंतर्गत ही है, वहां पर विमान उड़ान भरने के साथ ही जो है क्रैश कर गया है और मैं तुरंत अभी उसी स्थान पर ही जा रहा हूं जहां पर कि क्रैश हुआ है.
The plane crashed minutes after it took from Delhi. Witnesses said there was a huge fire scene in the area after the crash. 4 local laborers also got injured in the mishap as the plane hit the wall. Bureau Report Prudent.
2 persons got injured in a clash between 2 vehicles at Mauritius on Tuesday. Both the vehicles were on their way towards Panji. Ertiga first hit a moving road roller and then, with a speedy, stiff turn, hit an Audi. There were 4 travelers in Delhi-bound Audi. Driver of Ertiga, Eddie Fernandez, and the traveler sitting next to the driver got severe injuries. Both were shifted to GMC. Driver, including all the travelers from Audi, are reported to be safe. Panji police attached both the cars. We'll take a short break here. Stay tuned.